I'm going to make 닭도리탕. Throw them into hot boiling water for about 2 minutes. The reason I boil the chicken is to get rid of the unpleasant smell from the meat. 2 potatoes and half onion, about 3 inches carrot and 2 green onions, 3 garlic cubes. I'm gonna peel off the skins first. Two minutes over, I'm gonna drain the hot water. Rinse them with cold water. Cut the potato in 3 pieces. And you kind of have to round the edges, because when you cook it, potato gets mushy. The potato is not going to break apart. Carrots, I'm gonna cut them into 4 pieces. Cut the onion into cubes, not too small. Cut the green onion about 2 inches long. If it's too thick, cut it in half. Then lastly, I'm gonna mince the garlic. Now preparation is all done. We are going to start cooking. I'm going to make gochugaru. Have 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil on a medium heat. 3 tablespoons of gochugaru, Korean hot pepper flake. When gochugaru is made like this, turn off the heat. Put the chickens into pot. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of gochujang, Korean hot pepper paste, 1, 2, 3, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And mix all the sauce. Pour water about 2 cups. And bring it up to a boil. Whoa, it looks great. I boiled it about 5 minutes. Now let's put the carrots in. And potatoes. And onions. And minced garlic. Oh, if you like mushrooms, just like myself, you can put shitake mushrooms almost at the end, because the mushroom will absorb all the sauce and mushroom will be super salty. You don't want that happen. Ooh. Use your knife or chopstick to see if potatoes are cooked. You know, it's still hard, so I'm gonna let it cook a little bit more. Let me check it again. Potatoes are halfway cooked. Now I'm going to put the green onions. Put all them here. as well as some mushrooms. I think we are all done. So I'm gonna turn off the heat. I'm going to transfer into a bowl. Look at this. And let's taste it. I'm gonna get my favorite chicken breast. Chicken is very chewy and tender and moist. Let me taste the sauce. It's a bit spicy with the rice. Just perfect. Now let me get the potato. The potato is fully cooked, but yet not too mushed. I like it. I love it. I'm going to add a little bit of sauce on a potato with rice. Good. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to press the thumb button down below and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!